Hello children, how are you? So I'm here back again with some more questions for your Olympiads from your first chapter, that is growing plants. So let's quickly solve them. Let us see the first question. Which of the following plants disperses its seeds by the same agency, by the same way as the cotton plant? We have learnt about seed dispersal in our first chapter, right? So, where did you get this example of cotton plant? Under which subheading of plant dispersal, seed dispersal? So, it is, you have to, in order to answer this, you need to have an idea about the dispersion or dispersal in cotton plants. So, actually in cotton plants, it is done by wind, right? Wind dispersal. So, here are some examples given, options given. You need to find out which plant undergoes or what you call carries out the similar process of seed dispersal. So, is it dandelion, cotton, mango or papaya? It is dandelion, children. Okay. Second question. Because here if you see coconut, it is by water. Mostly it is by water. Mango and papaya, they just normally they disperse there. Seeds are not dispersed by wind or water. One of the following is a mismatch about edible parts. So here there is a mismatch which is wrongly matched about edible parts. So some names of plants are given and their edible parts are also given. But out of these four, one is wrongly answered. So let us see. Sugarcane, sweet potato. We'll see it later. Carrot and onion. Carrot and onion both are roots only. We eat the roots, right? Cauliflower, cabbage. Both are leaves only. Rajma and soybean. Both are seeds only. So, sugarcane and sweet potato, if you see, they both are, in case of sugarcane, stem is the edible part, correct. But in case of sweet potato, it's not the stem that is edible. Sweet potato is actually a root. We eat the root, nothing but sweet potato. So, A is a mismatch. This is a mismatch. So, this is the right option now because we are asked to find out the mismatch, right? The correct option is A, sugarcane. The third one, if you see, if part X is absent in papaya plant, new plant will not be produced. What is it? If part X is absent in papaya plant, some part in the plant, if it is absent, then new plant will not be produced. Reproduction or nothing but new plant will not be possible. So what is that X? We have to find out. Is it the stem? If the stem is not there, can it not give rise to a new plant? No, it's not the correct option. Leaf, if leaf is not there, will it not reproduce? No. Flower? Yes, because it is from the flower only that a new fruit comes out, and inside the fruit you have so many seeds, and those seeds will give rise to a new plant, right? So papaya plant reproduces with the help of seeds, isn't it? So it is the flower. If the flower is not there, new plant will not be produced. Root? Root also is the wrong option. What is the correct option now? Flower, children. Understood? So it's very easy to solve these kind of questions if you understand the question. So here we have some more questions now. One of the following is a rabi crop. So what are rabi crops, children? Those crops which are grown in winter, right? So out of these, one of these is a rabi crop. So which one? You need to have an idea about the examples of crops that are grown in winter. Here rice, watermelon and peach all are grown in summer. They are not rabi crops. So the correct option is D, radish. Okay? The next one. Plumule is to shoot, is as to, radical is to what? So it is nothing but like a kind of analogy, okay? So plumule is to shoot, that means plumule gives rise to shoot, And radicle, it gives rise to what? We know that food, leaves and flower. Leaves and flower comes under shoot only. So it is plumule only. So radicle, we don't get these two from it. So food, does the growing plant get food from the radicle? No. So what is the thing that is remaining? It gives rise to root, children. So radicle, it gives rise to root of the plant. Dash provides food to the baby plant. Now you see, in a baby plant, we have all these things. Plumule, radicle, cotyledon basically, mainly. So out of these, which one provides food to the baby plant? Is it plumule? We know that the function of plumule is to, it gives rise to shoot. Radicle, it gives rise to root. And cotyledon, or it is also called as seed leaves, children. So that provides food to the growing baby plant. Okay. So what is the option? Cotyledon. Okay. So correct option is C, cotyledon. So children, in order to answer these questions, last week I sent you one synopsis, right? Please